The recipes for this show and the complete series of great tastes are available on the greattastesmb.ca website. And one recipe from today's show will be in the classified section of the Winnipeg Free Press.
On a roll tonight, practicing our rolling technique with Manitoba chicken. Welcome back to Great Tastes of Manitoba. And Gina, we are on to recipe number 3, Tropical Chicken Taquitos. Okay, so right off the bat, when do we make these? What's sort of the optimum use of this recipe?
Well, you can make these absolutely anytime. They make a quick meal or a snack, and a really fun thing to do with these is make them when you're entertaining. If it's game night in your house and getting together with friends, neighbors, family, these are quick and they are delicious and they are so easy just to pick up and eat.
Not that we have any sports fans in Manitoba, that's for sure not. Okay, so we've actually got something going here. I'm just eyeballing this. Looks like we have some red onion. What else?
We do. We've got 1 small red onion, we've got 1 jalapeno pepper, and 1 clove of minced garlic, and a tablespoon of canola oil that we're sauteing that in.
Of course, peak of the market, veggies.
Yes.
That beautiful red onion. Okay, so this is sort of the first step. We cook this all together. We've kind of got a little bit going here just for fun, because it is a cooking show, but you've actually prepared some here already for us.
So you just saute that for about 5 minutes, and I did start some a little earlier for us. So this is what it looks like when it's nice and cooked down. And then what we add to this is 2 cups of shredded chicken, and another great way to use up that roast chicken.
There you go. Love it.
What gives us a super beautiful contrasting flavor is a cup of fresh pineapple.
Now, I kind of like this recipe too because like you can take some liberties with it in terms of the flavoring. So you have canned pineapple, but you could also like roast or royal pineapple, I guess.
Right.
And we're gonna get to the barbecue sauce here in a second. You're gonna have some smoked. And what are some other things that you like to throw in there?
Well, for sure, the fresh pineapple is great. Like you said, you could give it a little grilling and use a smoky barbecue sauce, a dash of hot sauce. And you know what you can even do? You can swap out the pineapple for something like mango.
Oh, love that too.
Yeah, so 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro adds a lot of flavor. And then a cup of either Monterey Jack cheese or cheddar cheese, and then a really neat contrasting flavor is a 1/3 cup of that barbecue sauce. And like you said, pick your favorite.
Yeah.
We just mix that together, and this creates our filling for our tropical chicken taquitos.
I'm just going to mention this because I have one kid that if I put cilantro in anything, walks right.
I have one like that too.
So, like my question being, I guess you could just omit that.
You could omit it.
Because it's one of those polarizing.
Yeah, it's one of those things you either love it or maybe you're a little uncertain about it.
Okay.
And you could use chopped parsley.
Okay, I just wanted to get your stamp of approval on that.
Or you could skip it all together.
Okay.
So I'm gonna move this out of the way, and then what we're gonna do is we are going to roll these, and I'll just show you how easy that is to do. So we just take about, a couple tablespoons of filling right into the center of the tortilla. So these are medium-sized tortillas. They're about the 7-inch size. And you just start rolling, and there you go. I already started some for us.
Did I hear you say at one point, though, that there's actually a way, or like there's a direction that they roll better? Or did I imagine that? Did I dream that?
I just find that when I take them out of the package, I just sort of check them. You can warm them a little bit and get them nice and soft so they roll easily. But I always sort of just check and see which way they like to roll.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Yep, that looks perfect. So they are so easy, right?
No complaints. No complaints over here. Okay.
That smells so good.
Yeah, that's coming along very nicely.
I love that contrasting flavor between the barbecue sauce and the onion, the chicken, the pineapple.
I want to try this, but let me just put this, I'll put my, make my last taquito here. I'll make this.
Okay.
Wait, no, there's an extra spoon here. I'm going to just taste this. Hold on.
Yeah, so you can just sort of, all right. Let's see what you think.
Give it a go here. Boom, pineapple, cilantro, love.
Me too.
That is very delicious.
It is delicious.
Oh my goodness.
And easy.
Totally. Yeah, no, I'm not struggling with this.
No, these are great. So you bake these at 425 degrees for only about 15 minutes, and they're ready to go. They are delicious, and you can serve them with a little bit of extra barbecue sauce if you'd like, or some salsa. So a really flexible, quick, and easy recipe.
And like again, one of the other things I was thinking about is if you do have a group of people getting together, it seems like that's something people are doing more. Friends are doing more of that, cooking together. Like you hear people getting together on like, Friday night and having these kinds of like building various recipes and whatnot. So this actually could totally work for that as well.
This would be a great one. You can have a tropical chicken taquito night in the middle of winter in Winnipeg.
Love it. Okay. Fantastic. So there we go, our tropical chicken taquitos. When we come back, we'll see what Aaron Alblas is doing. He had a bit of a challenge because there are lots of different things going tonight, but we'll see all about his beverage pairings when we come back on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba Liquor Mart. Enjoy responsibly.